A little closer for. Let me get some screwdrivers. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna need a torque. This is a white 32 gig Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, look at that. This LCD looks mighty familiar. If you guys been following 9 to 5 Mac, you remember us getting a white, or a, I'm sorry, an LCD from China that confirmed the non-retina display. Oh, there's a digitizer that looks pretty familiar too. A little white. Let's start removing the motherboard. Okay. Looks like the Wi-Fi antenna clips or attachment is clipped to the bottom of the motherboard. As you can see, most of this is actually battery. Motherboard is
You've got mail.
about twice as large as an iPhone motherboard. Some adhesive on the bottom of the motherboard.
And now it's connected to this.
Alright, so come back to that. Let's go with screws over there. Here's the motherboard. Let's start popping these panels off. We're going as fast as we can here. I know everybody wants to see this board. Here's the A5 processor right here. Here, you gotta back it up a little bit, man.
No, send it.
Snap a photo of that and send it to 9 to 5 Mac. I don't know who Sunny7088 is, but I don't see you doing this, buddy. And there's no real white iPhones out there either. So, alright, there's the board. We'll get back to that. What else do you guys want to see? Here's the camera, the front-facing camera. Pop that out. Again, with the adhesive. They're using so much glue, so much tape. It's pretty nuts. What appears to be the ambient light sensor is at the top right here. There's a tiny little notch. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. Speaker, come on. This adhesive is ridiculous.
They just loaded it up on the bottom there too, huh?
Yeah. Everything's like glued together nowadays. Yeah, we're in Boston.
iFixRite, how may I help you?
Yeah, the process was real good. It was quick. I liked how they helped each other, or helped all the customers individually instead of making us wait in line one by one. Our number here is 617-616-5966.
Oh,
We got more people calling.
iFixRite. Not bad, not bad. Oh, were you? 20th person? So you were in and out pretty quick, huh? Oh, nice, nice.
Lots of adhesive under that battery.
Oh, say it again. We're losing you.
Alright.
So, yeah, we can hear you now.
Hey, that was pretty cool. Actually, it's not pretty cool. You know what's pretty sad is the Best Buy didn't have screen detectors for the front, so I had to go to Verizon.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty crappy.
So it's pretty sad. But I'm in suspense right now. I see much ransom in this iPad too.
Well, we're gonna get to it pretty soon, so keep watching.
All right, I will.
All right, cool beans. Well, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for calling. Bye bye.
Definitely an echo there.
Yeah, it's kind of hard with the delay here.
Lots and lots of adhesive. Oh, man. These batteries are such a pain.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, there it goes.
There's the battery. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, almost hit me.
There it goes.
Broadcom chip. Two Toshiba chips.
Let me see.
Toshiba. Yeah, this thing is it's pretty super thin. It's definitely a lot thinner than the first gen iPad. Here's one of the magnets. Pretty thin. Yeah, we're definitely probably going to take a little bit longer to reassemble it, but we are going to. So, you guys are more than welcome to spend your Friday nights watching us take apart and put back together a iPad. Look at this. There we go. This looks like it is the. Here's the Wi-Fi antenna right here. Wi-Fi antenna. This is the speaker housing. You can see the two speakers there.
We are hiring in Boston, so if you'd like a job, you can send your resume, your phone number, and your name to boston@ifixyoureye.com.
Yes, this actually is our first time doing live streaming teardown. Figured it would be kind of neat. You don't have the audio on?
You don't? Yeah, I do.
Okay.
There's a few Russians in here.
Take out the black apple. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's going to be coming out.
Yeah, that's part of it.
No,
Oh, a sticker. There it goes.
here it comes. You want the black apple out? That would be kind of cool. But yeah, here's your black apple.
Yeah, let's cut a piece out of a...
Yes, the magnets are in the case itself, but we removed. Here's the magnet. It sits inside the case right at the bottom here. Oh, you can actually see the magnet sticking to the other magnet that's still in the case. You want to see the LCD? There's the LCD. Put a little background music on for everybody. Here is the rear-facing camera. Tiny little guy. And here comes the last board. You want to start getting all this stuff in order?
Yep.
Okay, so now all we have left is the power button, and we are done. And then we're going to start putting it back together.
The fun part.
Like a jigsaw puzzle. 25 minutes to put it back together. I wish, man. If you can put this thing back together
In 25 minutes?
I'll give you a
job.
job. Yeah. Okay, here's the power cable flex, and folks, we're done. Oh, a couple little last switches.
Well, that works.
We did not mark where these screws went, so it's going to be a little time consuming to put it back together, but we will do it.
I prefer Goose.
I need your email address so I can send pics of my girlfriend, so you can tell me if you can fix it. Go ahead, Mojo Ted. Send your pictures of your girlfriend.
Boston at iFixYourEye.
Boston at iFixYourEye.com. Alright. Booyah. Teardown done. iFixYourEye.com. You've seen it here live. We are going to work on putting it back together.
So stick around
And
if you like.
stick around if you want. They used, it's not glue, it's actually like a double-sided adhesive, like 3M adhesive. They also use this foam adhesive. Shout out to 9 to 5 Mac. Thank you.
Thanks
for,
again.
Thank you very much for helping us.
Always on point. Boston at iFixYourEye. That's BOSTON at iFixYourEye.com.